right, here is our last letter lesson, and we get to review all of the letters that we've learned this unit. So here is letter X. Do you remember the sound that letter X makes? So remember, most of these are tricky sounds. So X is tricky. If it's at the first of the word, it makes a Z sound. It likes to copy the letter Z. But if it's in the middle or the end, then it makes a X sound, and that's the sound we're going to do. So X in the middle or the end, except for X-ray, because it stands all by itself. Y at the beginning of a word says yeah. In the middle or the end, it copies the vowel sounds. Z says Z. That's right. So what are they? Good. And X, Y, Z. All right, here we go. Got this big light thing in the middle, so I'm going to start with those pictures. Here's the first picture. Now this has a little cheater on it. Can you see that letter on there? It says exit. So it goes on this one. Even though it starts with E, it has an X, and we can hear the X sound. All right, let's take this guy. He looks pretty tired. What's he doing? Yawn. So he starts with letter Y. Here is one. This is a fun one. Z. What? What sound makes the sound at the beginning of zipper? Letter Z. Here is someone riding fast on their bike, and we say zoom. Does it do X? Do you hear X or a yeah or a Z? That's right, zoom. Here is one that we used with our play name on the letter. It's a yak. So do we hear a Z in yak? Or yeah, yak? Or X in yak? Okay, that was kind of tricky because the CK at the end says K. Sounds a little bit like S, but not really. So it's a yak. And remember we said this is the yak and there's his horns coming up. All right. And one of my little granddaughters actually made a kitten out of her Y. I guess you could make a lot of things out of letter Y. All right. Let's see. Zebra. Zebra. Do you hear a Z in zebra? I mean X in zebra. Yeah. Z. Zebra. And, oh, here's the one where it stands all by itself. Do you remember what this is? An X-ray. So what is that first letter? X. Not here. Not here, but here. X-ray. X. All right. Here is a color. What color is this? Yellow. And right there you can see the first letter is a Y. You hear the yeah on yellow. Here is a zigzag. Zigzag. Is there X or a yeah or a Z? Which one? Zigzag starts with Z. Here is an axe. We are going to have a story in a minute about a boy with an axe and an ogre with an axe. Axe. What sound do you hear at the end of the word axe? X. That's right. X. Letter X. All right, let's get this guy over here. Remember, he's smiling and he's saying thumbs up or yes, yes. And you can see the letter right there. Yeah, yes. Starts with the Y. Here is a box. Box. Can you hear the sound at the end of the word box? Box, just like axe. That's an X at the end. Here is a zap. Maybe the sound that lightning makes when it strikes is zap. And again, we see the letter right there. What is it? Right there, zap. And here is a fox. I'm not sure which way. I guess it's this way. Fox. Can you hear the sound at the end of that word? Fox. Same as box. Axe. Fox ends in X. Here's another one that has the letter on it. So easy this time. What is this? A zoo. It's the zoo. And zoo does not start with X. Doesn't start with ya. It starts with Z. Alright, here is some yogurt. What letter do you see right there? A Y. Yeah, yogurt. Yogurt starts with Y. Here is a number. 6. 6. We did that last month. 6 starts with X. It's like fox, axe, box, 6. And one last one is, what is this? Yarn. Yarn. We don't hear a Z sound in yarn. We don't hear a X sound in yarn. We hear a Y sound in yarn. Yeah. So here is your handout to do. There is an X, Y, and Z, Z. And you will have some pictures that you'll have to cut out. Let's see if I can put this where we can see it. And you'll have to decide on your own, just like the pictures I did on the wall, where it goes. So the zebra, do you remember? It goes on the Z. And the fox, what is the sound at the end of fox? Fox. There's a different fox in our picture. This one's brown, that one's red. And this little girl is so tired. She's stretching and yawning. Yawn starts with Y. Yeah. Yawn. Here is a box. So is box. Ends with X, like fox. Those two rhyme. Box, fox. And some yarn. Starts with yarn. And the last one is lightning strike, says zap. That goes on the Z. Hey, go and do your handout.